Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about basic strokes practice. So we have to start the cursive writing. So before going to that, we have to must and should learn these basic strokes. So dear parents, it is well helpful for our children to write the cursive letters very easily, and we have to get beautiful handwriting. Okay, so let's start here. So while we have stroke order is essential in many languages, it is not absolutely required in English. The stroke order does, however, foster good penmanship and writing habits. There are different styles of writing English language, and stroke order could be different for different writing styles. Okay, so the objective of cursive writing is to write words continuously without lifting your hand. Hence, most of the letters in cursive script are written using a single stroke. Okay, let's begin. Slant lines, top to down. So we have to trace and continue. So this is a slanting line, slant line, top to down. So look here children, here they give 2 points. So you have to join these 2 points, that is slanting line, top to down, like this. So you have to show arrow mark. So like this, slanting. So children, when you have to start these basic strokes or cursive in writing, so we must, our pencil should be very sharp. Slanting, slanting, top to down, top to down. So top to down. So top to down. So top to down, like this. So top to down. So with slanting line, like this. Top to down. Slanting line. Top to down. Top to down, like this. The top to down. This is a slanting line. Top to down. Top to down. Okay, like this. So slant lines, down to top. So down to top, like this. So down to stop, down to top, like this. To join, like this. Top to down, slanting line, down to top, top to down. This is top to down. Here we write down to top, down to top, like this. Okay, so look here, start from this line to this line. Okay, like this. Top, down to top, down to top, down to top. This is down, this is top. This is down, this is top. This is a slanting line, down to top, down to top, like this. So this is a slanting line, This is a slanting line. How to write a slanting line, children? First step, we have to write this slanting line top to down. So then next we have to write this slanting line down to top. Okay, down to top. That for this line like this, down to top. Okay, down to top, down to top, down to top. Starting point, end point. Okay, so like this, down to top, down to top. So like this we have to practice the slanting line. Thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching.